Maximus has gotten really big. He's just about 12 feet long and probably weighs 40 to 50 pounds. And he's still really an awesome snake. He likes to get out every single day, climbs all over the house. He was climbing up that door earlier and he was about 3/4 of the way up. Didn't have my phone, so I couldn't get any pictures, but pretty cool. But he does like to climb everything, so he likes to come over here and climb the boa's cage. Seems like every winter he goes through this phase of just not eating and climbing all over the place like he's searching for something. Probably thinks he's going to find a mate. But he went almost 6 months without eating last time. But he doesn't seem to care. I offered him food tonight. Didn't want it. But he wants to climb over everything. Huh? Yes. He's so cool. Oh yeah, just like when he was a baby, climbing over the camera. Yep.